Children, did you enjoy sailing boat at home? I hope you have enjoyed the craft activity. Swarashri, Kavya, Mayur, Vishnu, have you read the composition rainy season? Now today we will learn few basic rules for writing sentence. Rules म्हणजे नियम. Whenever we write any sentence, we need to follow these rules. So let's see which are these rules. And afterwards we will write a story, The Elephant and the Friends. So come on, let's start. Read the following sentences. I went to the park yesterday. I had a great time. I had a lot of fun. What did you do yesterday? Is something missing? Do you feel all these sentences are correct? No, these sentences are not correct. Let us find out what is missing. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Look at this sentence. They are playing a ball. Here, the sentence begins with a capital letter. In the word they, T is capital, and at the end of the sentence there is a full stop. Full stop means a small dot. A full stop tells us that the sentence ends here. So whenever you write a sentence, begin with a capital letter, and at the end of the sentence, do not forget to put full stop. Next rule is single I is always capital. Look at these sentences. Here in the first sentence, I is not written capital. This sentence is not correct. Whenever you write I, it should be always capital. A question mark is used at the end of a question. Look at this sign. This is a question mark. Whenever you write any question, at the end of the question, write this sign. Means you have to put question mark. Look at these questions. What did you do yesterday? How are you? See, question mark is used at the end of these questions. Look at these sentences which we have read in the beginning. While reading, when there is a full stop, we always have to take a pause and then read the next sentence. But in the previous sentences, there is no full stop. So it would be difficult for us to understand where the sentences are ending. If we do not put question mark at the end of a question, the sentence does not sound like a question. So these are few rules which you should always remember while writing sentences. If you have Balbharti book, open page number 30. 2.9 Writing Skill, The Elephant and the Friends. Exercise A. Complete the following story with the help of hints given in the bracket. The words are wondered, my friend, the monkey, be his friend, too big, the rabbit was too big. Today we will read the half part of the story, so we are taking only few words. So let us begin. First we will read the passage and then we'll write fill in the blanks. The Elephant and the Friends. A lone elephant dash in the forest looking for friends. He met a monkey and asked, will you be dash? You are too big and cannot swing on trees as I do. So I cannot be your friend, said dash. The elephant then met a rabbit and asked him if he could dash. You are dash to fit inside my burrow. You cannot be my friend, replied dash. The elephant asked a fox and he got the same reply that he dash. So, this is a story about an elephant who was looking for friends. First, he met a monkey, then rabbit, and then fox. Now, let us complete the story. A lone elephant wandered in the forest looking for friends. So, the first word is wandered. Wandered means to walk or to move slowly away from a place. He met a monkey and asked, "Will you be my friend?" Now the elephant is asking monkey, "Will you be my friend?" You are too big and cannot swing on trees as I do, so I cannot be your friend, said the monkey. Because the elephant is talking with a monkey, so the monkey. The elephant then met a rabbit and asked him if he could be his friend. You are too big to fit inside my burrow. Now the elephant is asking to rabbit. So the first one is be his friend. Next is you are too big to fit inside my burrow. You cannot be my friend, replied the rabbit, because elephant is talking with rabbit, so the rabbit. The elephant asked a fox and he got the same reply, that he was too big. Now the last word is was too big. So he got the same reply from fox, that he was too big. We have completed the half part of the story. We will see the next part tomorrow. Till then, read this part of the story and practice the writing rules which we learned today. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.